This is called the beef, people.
Beef.
So we're gonna salt the beef right now. Look, in salt. Yeah, man, corned beef. My true.
Yeah.
Yeah, corned beef. Look, we've got a lot of beef to be corning today, people. Yeah, and good vibes.
I believe English people love roast meat like America still, you know.
So what's happening, everyone? Here, this is the brisket part of the beef, and we're doing the preparation for salt beef. So we're gonna be corning it. So we do this, the general slices across, just like that, and then we just dip it in a tub of salt. And after we dip it in a tub of salt, we've got garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, a lot of Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, thyme, and this is what's going to corn it. You can actually smell the garlic and all the flavors just jumping out at you because it's so powerful. And when you do this process to the meat, you can leave it in one of these buckets here and lock it off for even 1 year. Same way, so look at that. Look at all the salt going into the meat, and this is like a preservative that we're doing, everybody. Yeah, man, I good vibes. So then we put them inside of the bucket. Then the blended up ingredients. Wow. And this process is allowing you to preserve your meat for 1 year to 2 years solid, airtight, locked in one of these buckets, everybody. Yeah, man, I good vibes. We're there. Yes, everybody. So top of the food chain. So it's a process. It's a happening right now. So you know that back home in the Caribbean or in Africa, we would have naturally preserved our food. So yeah, man, people. So it's good to know how to preserve your meat, because there's many ways of preserving your meat, but a natural old-fashioned way of preserving your meat, corning your beef, you understand? Even if it's any kind of meat, in beef, lamb, pork, chicken, you can corn it, everyone. You can salt it, and then after you salt it, you corn it with the pepper, the ginger, the garlic, and the thyme that you've blended up together. And then you get this whole process that we have going on here, like the salting process and then the cooling process. Yeah, man, is a good vibes. So you know, so naturally when you're cooking and naturally when you're when you're gonna cook your meat, you know that you're getting the best of your food. Why? Because it's done in the old-fashioned way, and if you do things in the old-fashioned way, you're only preserving the original flavors and the original style of how the food is prepared, people. Good vibe. So now we've got 2 buckets completed. We've got a next bucket that we're going to start off with now, and then we've got 1 box of brisket. We've got 2 more boxes of brisket that we're going to be cutting up today. Yeah, man, good vibes. Good vibes.
Experience teaches wisdom, man.
Yes, everybody. Experience teaches us wisdom, and this is some experience that we're having right now. The experience of preserving your meat for as long as you want to, everybody. A good vibe. Look at that. Wow. So much brisket that we're going to be corning today. Good vibes.
I say, me and my wife, the woman, I thought we alone, the woman, and they cook some curry goat and some yam and banana and pumpkin.
Yes, everybody, so today I'm working with Donald. Donald is an experienced butcher. He's been doing this all his life, everybody. So Donald's father was also a butcher, so you know it's something that it's in his nature slicing, cutting, the whole preparation of doing meat. He knows it inside out. You understand, people? So just the whole preservative section of it. As you can see right now, the beef has been cut up, then it's been added into the salt bucket, and after it goes into the salt bucket, it goes into a next bucket. Then we're going to be adding the corn, which is the spices. These are good vibes. Look at the salt. Yes, everyone, so today's episode was all about corning the beef. Yeah, man, it's important to know the full procedure, the full ways of corning the beef. What kind of beef we're dealing with? Now the brisket. Yeah, man, see there, we're doing the last finalization of the last box that we've been doing all day today. So good vibes. Yeah, man, big up yourself outside. So right now we're on the last few pieces right now. So look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buckets already filled up, and we've got the last bucket, which is going to make 6 buckets, everybody.
No, man, I got them one piece in a bucket, and I'm going to send you put it in.
Okay, so we just have to put piece just to fill up the buckets then, instead of doing a whole new bucket. So yeah, man, a good vibe, everybody. Yeah, so as you can see here, look inside of the bucket. Good vibe. We've been working all morning just corning beef. Yeah, man, this is the corned beef episode, people. Yeah, I hope you guys found this one interesting. Let's try and get this video, everybody, here to 1,000 views. Yeah, man, I need all of you guys that's watching the videos, all my friends, all my day ones. Share it for me, please. Yeah, share it on your story, share it on your social media. Have good vibes. We're in season 7. Yeah, man, fully active, fully outside. Big up yourself, done on 24-hour kitchen, cooking with no vision. Yeah, man, I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, man, done a forward back with some more salt. Good vibes, so it's some salt in the salt bucket. And just, yeah, completion right now. Yeah, man, it was an amazing episode as well. You understand, doing this with you guys as well. Big up yourself.